webcam. Thank you. Single player. Mr. F. J.
You want to.
The world. Okay. Today we're finishing off our. Today we're finishing off our Okay, so today we are finishing our treehouse. So I looked at the comments, and you guys said use some clay. But I tried it, but it looks not that good.
Why do you say? Oh yeah, repeat.
So I'm deciding to build out of wood, or this wood. I don't know. I can't pronounce it, but this is the wood that we are going to build out of today. And then here we go. And for episode 6, we are going to do the roof. Okay? Oh. Episode 6 is gonna be very, very, very fun because I'm gonna be building some mini games. So yeah. Our treehouse is almost finished and done.